Fuentes Daniboy, second year college student, Section B of the Criminology Department, and welcome to this vlog. The natural order. We're still learning to recognize new kind of patterns. Mathematician can deduce atomic geometry of ice crystals. We live in a universal of patterns. Every night, the star move in a circle across the sky. The season of circle at nearly intervals. No two snowflakes are ever exactly the same, but they have all 6 folds of symmetry. Tigers and zebras are covered in patterns of stripes. There must beauty in a nature. Clue we all recognize without any mathematical training. What mathematics is for? We value the important ways to express our feelings. Mathematics are area of knowledge. Feelings, mathematics are area of knowledge that includes such topics as numbers. Ang mathematics is magkuhan sa atong knowledge sa mga topics na numbers. Formulas, unrelated structure, shapes, and the space in which they are contained, and quantities and their change. Mathematics is a human creature. Ang mathematics is na-create na sa tao o human creature. Before you buy much foods, we need a store. Kung magpalit ka sa pagkaon, kailangan na itindahan. Ug ang mathematics is magamit siya sa tao. Where will the phrase have all this instinct in all of use and is both good. Mathematics is all about. Mathematics is all about adding, subtracting, dividing, and multiplication, transposing, doing the lowest term, and many others. These things are done in number or even a letters. Mahuman siya sa number or a letters. Mathematics is mostly a matter of number, which when hear the word mathematics is the first things that mathematics, the science of structures, order, and relations that has involved from a mental practice of counting, measuring, and describing the shapes of objects. It deals with a logical reasoning and quantitative calculation, and its development has involved an increasing degree of idealization and abstraction of its subject.